This color is looking really good in the Ola 1S, I think. Then we have a newly launched bike which would be coming this year in the market. We also have the multi-utility Ola Gig. Then we have the S1Z. All the cleanings are in the process. But this is how the whole Ola stall is looking. We have come to Isuzu stall right now. It is a S-Cabzy concept. I don't know what different there is in the car because it is looking exact same. I think the newly modified wheels, trims and this hammers, roll bars which you see in the Hiluxes, it is really common. Sorry for the background noises, guys. The interior remains very basic. Here we have something to show you which is really new. It is a D-Max EV concept. The same car which you see on the roads with some new inputs, the new headlights, tail lights and new wheel design. Else everything remains the same. All the interior mein thoda sa change hoga. But the main thing is EV.